then put placing the punches on your machine.
然后这边是调它的宽窄啊。
And this adjuster is for adjusting the width for the punches.
然后这下面这个
And
是
in
调它的
here,
高低，然
in
后
the
这里
gun, this is the fixed screw, and this one, this adjuster is adjusting the height for your punches like this. Yeah, when you're adjusting this one, then the height will be go down and up.
然后调到呢，就是说它的宽窄高低，调到它这里就是在后面推一下，它能够正常的就是那个前后就能正常，它有弹力。
And until this one can be push it to moving, then it can be okay like this. 哎，怎么了？
让它这样。
And using your hands to push it, then it can be can be moving like this. Then it's okay.